Hello, this is Frank from CAD Talk. Are your engineering and manufacturing teams wasting hours or even days manually entering data into Infor CloudSuite Industrial? Doesn't that information already exist in your CAD system? Why spend countless hours exporting spreadsheets from AutoCAD, copying, pasting, and re-importing that same data into CSI? You end up with two screens open, manually comparing and reconciling every change for new or existing parts. It's time-consuming and error-prone. What if you could send that BOM directly from AutoCAD into CSI with the push of a button? That's where CAD Talk comes in. CAD Talk provides a pre-built, configurable integration between AutoCAD, either electrical or mechanical, and Infor CloudSuite Industrial. It extracts data directly from AutoCAD, connects with CSI, and reconciles everything, whether you're dealing with long lead time items or engineering changes. As you can see here, I've loaded an AutoCAD assembly into CAD Talk. The engineering workbench lets me review everything before sending it to CSI. The interface is color-coded for clarity. Red icons show new parts. CAD Talk will create these within CSI. Green icons indicate existing parts with no changes. Yellow icons highlight existing parts with changes to review. With a glance, you are able to quickly see where and what your changes are. No more spreadsheets, no more stare and compare, no more manually checking items one by one. Clicking a part shows exactly what is being changed in the panel on the right. I can choose which version to keep and update in real time, right in the CAD Talk interface. Once I've reviewed everything, like changing quantities in yellow here, or adding these new parts, labeled in red here, to the BOM, I just hit Save. CAD Talk then automatically updates Infor CloudSuite Industrial with all new parts, BOMs, and changes. What used to take hours or even days now takes only minutes. Instead of wasting time exporting spreadsheets, writing macros, or using custom scripts, CAD Talk reconciles everything directly, quickly, and reliably. Just like that, you'll see everything turn green, meaning it's been created or updated in CSI. Now I'll switch over to Infor so you can see the results. Here in CSI, you can see the new item created by CAD Talk, complete with operations, routing steps, and all the metadata needed for a production-ready bill of material. So whether you're using AutoCAD, as we saw today, Autodesk Inventor, or any CAD PDM or PLM system, CAD Talk makes it easy to reconcile changes with a live, bi-directional integration between your CAD system and Infor CloudSuite Industrial. If you have questions or want to see how CAD Talk works for your specific manufacturing needs, go to cadtalk.com/demo, and our team will create a personalized demo just for you. Happy integrating!